Hello everybody. Today the kids wanted a mango milkshake for their breaking of their fast or iftar. So today I'm going to make a mango milkshake. Start off, I'm going to put in a cup of mango puree. And then I'm going to put in a cupful of milk. I'm going to mix it with this slowly. Lift it up a bit and then just give it a bit of a whirl. I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar. That's 2 tablespoons. Give it another whiz. Slow speed. I'm going to put some ice in there and serve. Give it a bit of a stir. I hope you liked my humble attempt at making a mango milkshake. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, you've got it, don't forget to click on that bell icon to stay up to date. Until next time, goodbye.